Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do the JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp, global versus local scope in functions. So we learned before that if we declare a function, we declare a variable outside of a function like this one, is global scope. But if we declare a function declare a variable inside of a function, it's called a local scope. And we can also do the same name of the variable as well. So in this example, we have sum var equals to hat, but inside a function, we're declaring a variable also named sum var and equals to head. So when you do this, if we return sum var, it's going to give us the value in the local scope because the local variable takes precedent over the global scope. So for this exercise, it wants us to add a local variable to my outfit function to override the value of outerwear with the string sweater. So we want to do var outerwear, and we want to assign it to a value of sweater. And then we return my outfit. So that'll be all for this one. Thank you so much.